Hello friends, today onwards we are going to start online practicals of BSc third year. You have the syllabus copy of BSc third year physics. The first practical we are going to perform online is study of basic gates. You might have studied logic gates in 12th class. Some of you from computer science, these people have also studied these gates in BSc first year. There are three types of basic gates: NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. These gates can be constructed in different ways. We can use DTL logic, RTL logic, TTL logic for construction of these gates. When we perform experiment on these basic gates, we are not going to actually construct the gates. The gates are already constructed in the form of integrated circuits. Here we have IC74 family. IC74 family provides the ICs for NOR gate, AND gate and OR gate. Let me bring your attention to this one. Have a look on this page. You will find the pin diagram. It is 14 pin IC as you see. Okay. This is a notch. Below the notch, the numbering will start. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. Okay. And on the above line from pin number 8 to pin number 14. Pin number 7 is used for ground. Pin number 14 is used for VCC. Then you will find first AND gate, second AND gate, third AND gate and fourth AND gate. This AND gate has two inputs and one output. Every of these four AND gates are having two inputs and one output. This IC is IC7408. Name of this IC is 7408. So IC7408 is quad 2 input AND gate IC. IC7408 is quad 2 input AND gate IC, meaning that this integrated circuit, this IC has 4 AND gates, every AND gate with 2 inputs and only one output. So whenever you construct the circuit for study of AND gates, you must remember this pin diagram of IC7408. It is 14 pin IC. Pin number 7 is always used for ground. Pin number 14 is always used for VCC. 1, 2 input of first AND gate, number 3 output of first AND gate, and so on. So you need to remember this pin diagram for IC7408, which provides us 4 AND gates of 2 inputs each. This gate is basic gate. Now, how to define this AND gate? AND gate is that logic gate. AND gate is that logic gate whose output is high when all the inputs are high, otherwise its output will be low. The AND gate may be 2 input AND gate, it may be 3 input AND gate, it may be 4 input AND gate. This definition is equally applicable to all types of AND gates. This is about the pin diagram of IC 7408 for 2 input AND gates. After that, let us move to other IC. This IC, as you see, is IC 7432. This is also 14 pin IC. Pin number 7 is used for ground. Pin number 14 is used for plus VCC. 7 ground, 14 plus VCC. Notch is here. If you go below the notch, you will find pin numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 on the lower row. On the upper row, from the reverse direction, pin number 8 to pin number 14. This is a symbol of OR gate IC. This one, this one, this one, as well as this one. Okay. Then IC 7432 is also IC from 74 families. It is 14 pin IC. This IC is known as quad 2 input OR gate IC. Meaning of quad means 4. This IC has 4 OR gates. Input of every OR gate 2. Number of inputs are always 2 in this IC, and output will be only 1. So whenever we need to study the logic OR gate, we must remember this pin diagram of IC 7432, which has 2 input 4 OR gates. You can define what is OR gate. OR gate is a logical circuit. It may have 2 inputs, 2 or more inputs. Output will be only 1. Whatever may be the OR gate with 2 inputs, 3 inputs, 4 inputs, its output will be low only when all the inputs are low. In other cases, the output will be high. So, OR gate can be defined as that logical gate whose output is low only when all inputs are low, otherwise its output will be high in all other cases. So please try to remember this pin diagram of IC 7432 whenever you want to study experimentally the OR gate. This is about the second basic gate. After having known about the IC of second basic gate, let us come to third basic gate. Third basic gate is NOT gate, and name of the IC providing NOT gates is 7404. 7404 IC provides us NOT gates. This IC is also 14 pin IC. This is the notch. If you come below notch and go this row, along this row, you will find that first pin number is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. Then go to the upper row and go in the reverse direction. The pin number will start from 8 to 14. Pin number 7 is again used here for ground. Pin number 14 is used to provide plus VCC voltage. Now, if you look into this pin diagram of IC 7404, you will find that this IC has 6 NOT gates. Other name of NOT gate is inverter. NOT gate is also known as an inverter. Inverter is such a logic gate which has only one input and only one output. So if you look into the figure, what you find, pin number 1 is input of this NOT gate to output of this NOT gate. Only one input, only one output. Come to the second NOT gate. Pin number 3 is input of second NOT gate. Pin number 4 is output of second NOT gate. You may go to pin NOT gate number 3, NOT gate number 4, NOT gate number 5, NOT gate number 6. Everywhere you will find that each NOT gate has only one input and only one output. This IC 7404, which provides us the inverters or NOT gates, this IC is known as hex inverter IC. Meaning of hex inverter IC is this IC provides us with 6 inverters or 6 NOT gates. Whenever you go to study NOT gate using IC 7404, you need to remember this pin diagram for IC 7404 because we want to study the NOT gate, and whenever we want to study the NOT gate, we need this IC. Now let us make definition of NOT gate just similar to definitions of OR gate, AND gate. Output of NOT gate is always inversion of the input. NOT gate is such a logic gate in which output is always inversion of the input. Such a gate is known as logical NOT gate. Okay, so here I told you about the pin diagrams of 3 basic ICs. Actually, pin diagram of 3 ICs which provides us 3 basic gates. 7404 provides us NOT gates, 7408 provides us AND gates, and 7432 provides us the OR gate. We also made definitions for these 3 logical gates. Okay. After doing these primary things, let us come to the actual circuit. Let us have a look to the actual circuit. This IC is IC 7404. It has 6 inverters. Out of these 6 inverters, we have used only one inverter, only one NOT gate. Connections are made for only one NOT gate. You can see here. Okay. Ground, pin number 7 of this IC and this IC are connected together and then given to ground. Pin number 14 of this IC and this IC are made common and connected to positive supply or positive terminal of the power supply. So all these ICs are provided with the negative terminal and positive terminal of the power supply to pin numbers 7 and pin numbers 14 of each of these ICs. This has 4 gates. We will use only one of these 4 gates. This IC also has 4 gates. Again, we are going to use only one of these 4 gates. This IC has 6 gates and we are going to use one of these 6 gates. This IC is 7432 IC, which is quad 2 input OR gate IC. This IC is 7408 IC, which means that it is quad 2 input AND gate IC. This IC is 7404 IC. It is hex inverter. One more thing, very important property of 74 family of ICs. Very important property of 74 family of ICs. Whenever we hold any of the inputs of 74 ICs open, it is acting as high or it is acting as plus VCC. And to provide logic 0 or ground, we have taken out one wire from ground of the power supply. Now when we study these logic gates, study of logic gates is always made through the truth tables. Observation tables for study of these logic gates are known as truth tables. For your ready reference, truth tables are drawn here for all the 3 gates on this page. If you have a close look on this page, you will find the truth tables. This is the truth table for 2 input OR gate. This is the truth table for 2 input OR gate. Input A, input B and corresponding output. This is the truth table for 2 input AND gate. Inputs A and B and corresponding outputs. This is the truth table for inverter or NOT gate. This column corresponding to input, this column corresponding to output. What we have to do? We have to verify these conditions in the truth table for OR gate. Then we have to verify these conditions in the truth table for AND gate, and then these conditions in the truth table of NOT gate. When we verify this truth table, we shall go for OR gate IC. When we verify this truth table, we shall go for AND gate IC, and when we verify this truth table, we shall go for NOT gate IC. Now, this is the 0 wire because it is taken from ground of the power supply. So, value of this is 0 volt. 0 volt corresponding to low or 0, decimal 0 in binary number system. Open of these any open input of these 74 family ICs is corresponding to plus VCC or 1 in binary. According to positive logic, binary 1 is equivalent to about plus 5 volt. But for safety working of this, actually there is a range for plus 1 in positive logic from 3.5 volt to 5 volt. When we have this voltage from 3.5 volt to 5 volt, that is corresponding to binary 1. If voltage goes below 3.5, 2.5, 1, etc., that is corresponding to 0. Okay, this is corresponding to 0 volt. So what we do? We shall first verify the truth table of NOT gate. This is input of NOT gate. As I told you, NOT gate has only one input and only one output. This LED is connected at the output of NOT gate. When input of NOT gate is open, this is input of NOT gate. This one is input of NOT gate. It is open. Open corresponding to plus VCC. Plus VCC means binary 1. And what is inversion of binary 1? It is 0. Find 0 here. What is meaning of this? There is 0 volt. As there is 0 volt, there is no working of LED. As there is no working of LED, LED is not glowing. It is not emitting any light. It means that output of LED is 1. That is output of the NOT gate is 1. Output is 1 when input is open or input is 1. Okay, then let us connect this 0 volt wire to input of NOT gate. As soon as you connect 0 to input of NOT gate, LED at the output glows. It means that 0 is inverted as 1 at the output of NOT gate. This is the verification of truth table for NOT gate. This is nothing but experimental study of NOT gate. What we have done in the experimental study of NOT gate, we first provided 1 to the input and we found that output of NOT gate is 0. After that we provided 0 to the input of the NOT gate and we found that output of the NOT gate comes 1. So truth table of NOT gate is verified. It means that we have completed experimental study of NOT gate. After having studied NOT gate, let us go to OR gate. These are the two inputs. As you see, two wires. One input is input A, other is input B. These are taken from one gate of this IC. Okay. A is open, B is open. When A and B both are open, it means that both are 1. When both are 1, we find that this output is also 1. This is true in case of AND gate. It is also true in case of OR gate. To recognize this, you need to read name on this IC, name on this IC. If I read name of this IC, I will read this as IC 7432. IC 7432, as I told, it is quad 2 input OR gate IC. Okay, so let us verify all the 4 conditions in the truth table of 2 input OR gate IC, and for that purpose we have to take help of the 0 wire. Let us make both the inputs 0. Both the inputs of OR gate can be made 0 by connecting this ground wire. When we have connected this ground wire to both the inputs of the OR gate, we find that the LED is not glowing. It means that output is 0, and this is one of the conditions. When input is 0, 0 OR gate, input A 0, input B 0, output is also 0. First condition is verified. Now let us go for second condition. Let us connect this ground wire to input A only, and input B is held open. When input B is held open and A connected to ground, we find that output here is coming 1. Go to the truth table and see that when A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. Second condition is also verified. Let us go for the third condition. In third condition, we have to keep input A open, that is equal to 1, and we have to connect the ground wire to input B. So A will be 1, B will be 0, and if you look into the truth table, we will find that when A1, B0, output is 1, and we can see output 1 here. Third condition is also verified. And what left? The last condition. For last condition, what we have to do? Just take away the 0 wire, don't connect it to either A or B. A and B both are held open. As you see, both are hanging in the air. Input A, input B, both are hanging in the air. It means that these two are open. A and B open, meaning that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. If we go to the truth table, we find that A1, B1 gives output 1. And if you see in this circuit, what you find? Output is 1 for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Thus, the truth table of 2 input OR gate is verified. It means that you have completed the experiment on study of OR gate. Now what left is the last basic gate, AND gate. AND gate also has 2 inputs, input A, input B. Okay, let us start from the first condition. What is the first condition in the truth table? You will find that first condition in the truth table is A is 0, B is 0. That is, we have to connect the ground wire to input A and input B simultaneously, so that A will be 0, B will be 0. When A is 0, B is 0, for AND gate, output is also 0, and what you find here? You will find that here the output is also 0. First condition is verified. Let us go for the second condition. Here what we have to do? We have to keep A0, B1. To keep A0, we have to connect ground wire to A input, keep B open. So this condition will be equivalent to A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. And what is the output? Output is still 0, and if you look into the circuit, you will find that this output is still 0 here. Let us go for the verification of third condition. In the third condition, A is 1, B is 0. So keep A open, connect ground wire to input B. So it will make A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. If you look into the truth table, you will find that for the third condition also the output is 0. And if you come to the circuit diagram, you come to the circuit, what you find? The output is 0. This is verification of third condition. Let us go to the last condition. For the last condition, we have to keep A and B both 0. A and B both 1. To keep A and B both 1, this ground wire is taken away. It is not connected to either A or B. A and B both are held open. When both are held open, A will be equal to 1, B will be equal to 1. When A is 1, B is 1, in the truth table, we find that output is also 1. Come to the circuit here of the AND gate, and you will find that for this condition the circuit shows output is equal to 1 or high output. Thus here we have studied all the three basic gates: NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Hope you understood. This is very simple experiment. Whenever it is possible for us to meet in the lab, you are going to perform this experiment physically. We are going to send PDF copy of this experiment. Truth table is already verified here. Okay, so this is about the study of basic logic gates: AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate. Hope you got it. Thank you.